Do it, share, like.
My brother rates my fidgets. Color changing needles. Rate out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Normal needle.
9 out of 10.
Pop it.
10 out of 10.
Simple dimple.
6 out of 10.
Globbies.
7.5.
My favorite ASMR pod.
9.5.
Splat balls.
7 out of 10.
ASMR bar.
6 out of 10.
Monkey noodle.
3 out of 10.
Mochi.
8 out of 10.
Crystal stress ball.
7 out of 10.
Homemade snapper.
7 out of 10.
Strawberry squishy.
7 out of 10.
Slime.
10 out of 10.
We'll make a
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do, and one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over.
This cube may blow your mind. It's called the Yoshimoto cube, and it can turn from silver to gold, and then it can turn into 2 identical star balls, and then it can do the most perplexing thing. It can turn into 2 boxes the same size as the original cube. Now here comes the tough question. Could you put it back together?
Start coming and they don't stop 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 coming and they...
Rating the fidget toys I have in my classroom. The ones that get broken edition. So I know everyone prefers different things, but I personally do not like these ones at all. They're metal and they honestly hurt me. I don't know if you can see where they connect right here, but my students can pop that apart really easily. Then they look like this. They basically create another fidget toy, which is cool. Then they pull the metal apart little by little like this. And once it's all pulled apart, I just throw them away. So they're basically like a disposable fidget toy. These are called snakes. I buy mini versions for my students and they really, really like them. I honestly don't get the hype because I don't really like playing with them, but they always break the mini ones. There's a little string inside, and once it snaps, all the pieces fall apart.
I've been playing with these specs for so long, and they're getting really boring. And my sister has so many fidgets over there. She basically has a whole fidget shop. Let's see if I can scam her. Hey, would you like to trade?
Sure.
I have these really rare specs, so can you give me a good trade for that?
I'll give you a stack of poppets.
Is that all you got? These specs are literally legendary.
Fine. What about another stack of poppets?
Nice try. Add.
What about if I add these pop tubes?
To be honest, you should be giving me a fidget for every single magnetic ball, and I'm giving you the case, so add.
I think I'm over, but I'll give you 2 tangles, a dimple, and a stack of mini poppets.
Actually, you're under. I'm giving you these gorgeous magnetic balls, and all you're giving me is this.
What if I add these simple dimples and these 2 infinity cubes?
If you add those stress balls and those marble mesh, it's a deal.
But these are all the ones I have. Fine.
I like pop it, 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 pop it.
Trading Fidget Toys. Hoy voy a cambiar esta Stress Ball que es súper especial porque es el único color que existe así. No existe ninguna otra Stress Ball con este color. A ver qué me dan por ella. Cambio esta Stress Ball súper especial. Yo puedo, please. Es mi Dream Fidget. Ok, ¿qué tienes para ofrecer? Este osito, este spinner, este mochi de sirena, este squishy de fresa y este fidget casero. Wow, esto es muchísimo. Ok, acepto. Ok, voy por otra cosa que te quiero dar. Ahorita regreso, voy por allá. Ok. Oigan, como la niña se fue, le voy a cambiar este por otro color que no es especial. En vez de esta verde, le voy a dar esta amarilla que es muy común. Ya regresé, te quiero dar esto de regalo. Gracias. Wow, la estafé.
Lo siento por hacer fidgeting, pero es lo que nos gusta hacer. Y si a ti te interesa, danos follow y comenta.
Making a Lego fidget. Build. I'm making a blue-themed one. I didn't have enough of the right pieces. Oops, forgot one part. Better. Ta-da. Bye.
Yeah, your fidget toy collection probably is bigger than mine, but mine's growing. I only have about 4. Looks like I'm about to get paid.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
Making the ultimate 3-layer clay cracking ball.
With my sister.
Rating the fidget toys I have in my classroom. These are called Racky Tracks and they're really durable. They last for years. You can create a lot of different shapes with them and they come apart so you can create unique color combinations. Stretchy strings and they live up to their name. They're awesome to stretch and they're great for fidgeting, but it's also a con because then they can hit each other from really far away. They also get really dirty easily and look disgusting, and then when students put knots in them, if they tighten the knots, they're impossible to get out. These are new ones that I just got. I'm gonna put them in my reflection area for when you need to de-stress. They feel amazing. I do anticipate them getting dirty easily though.
You'll fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you've shared to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if you do all. You'll fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like.